Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing another car review, but today's car is a little bit special. It's not your ordinary car, but something new, something good, something nice, something fun. Take a look. Yeah, boy, let's go.
Sport.
As you can see, the car is sitting nicely on double bellow bags. It is sponsored by Ep.4, done by the mad scientist himself. I don't even know that guy, but he's very great at air suspension. He's located there in the Athlone area, go by the name of Marley. So yeah, now you must come take a look at this boot setup. This is crazy, y'all. As you can see, it's a nice tank, beautiful hard lines, custom, two compressors, and as you can see, they customized that room to fit it perfectly with the leather accent at the back. So yeah, it's very nicely done. Once again, Mark 8R sitting on air suspension.
You see, we got some bucket seats on the 8R. This is give us some sporty look, and you see the bucket seats make you feel comfortable around the corners and make you sit comfortable. So that is the seats, and you see the R on the seats that make it look nice. Yes, that's the seats.
Right guys, let's take a look at the engine. This is the 2-liter turbocharged E888 engine. The stock could produce around 235 kilowatt and 400 Newton meters of torque. But as you can see, it's not stock standard anymore. It has a stage 2 tune. It now makes 295 kilowatt and 500 plus Newton meters. And it has a RGM custom intake, carbon fiber intake. Right, the car has a downpipe and a stainless steel exhaust. But I think the owner left the back box original.
Sige, pati kokos please met die
Akapops. Okay, this is how the car sounds in comfort mode. Sport.
What's up, everybody? Sorry to do the voiceover, but we have some difficulties with the mic that time, and we didn't knew that time. But okay, here we go. As you all know, that is the 8R, so the interior changed a lot from the 7.5. New gear lever, new everything. What is also cool about this car was the fact that you can change your climate on the seats, like you can do the heated seats and you can do the cold seats. So that was pretty cool. There we have the function for the seats that can make you hot or you can make it cold on a summer day. So yeah, that was also cool. And also change the steering wheel. You can put in heated, you can change the climate, and the steering wheel get warm on a cold day. So when it's ice cold outside, you can change the function, you can press a button and you make the steering wheel hot. The car also have adaptive cruise control in, so it automatically adjusts when you on cruise control, the car in front, how far it is, how close it is, so the speed you're driving decrease or increase, how depending on where the car is in front of you. And as you can see, this is the air suspension remote, so yeah, that's an important function of the car also. So yeah, guys, this is the interior. It's nice, it's new, so that was for me was also nice to see how well they have made the car in the inside. Yeah, so it was nice. Now we come to the fun part, the part that everybody loves about this Golf, the R button. Yo guys, you press this R button, activate that race mode, and everything opens up in this car. The exhaust opens up, the power kicks in, the Newton meter go up, everything is just very much alive. And you get your sport mode and you get your comfort mode also, so that is just depending on how you want to drive. So but yeah, R mode is the best mode. Also got your touch screen, lights in, sunroof, sliding. Yeah, we don't do touch anymore, press knobs and what, turning knobs. Yeah, we just slide and then we go on, slide and then we go off. But I love the sunroof. Yeah, you just slide your finger over it and it closes. You slide it to open. It's just sliding. Look there, slide all around and it opens and closes. And yeah, that was me saying that technology, because this technology is something else. Okay, we got Harman Kardon sound system in. I think it's an extra you request by Volkswagen. So the sound, it's tuba, it's nice, bass is good, sound is clear. So that is also nice.
we get a chance to drive this car. So yeah, it feels way different than mine. But let me just get this air up. Now we're gonna go for a drive. Put it in sport mode now. As you guys can hear. So yeah, let's take it for a nice drive and run. Let's figure out the track. Jesus! So guys, this is something else. This is really something else. So, laat ik klok toe. Guys, if you really have money, this is a must buy purchase. If you got the money to do it, I will do it.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was only out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? The boy's a liar. The boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. The boy's a liar. The boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like your